Hello student, let's start to learn. Medium English and Semi-English, Standard 9, Subject Science and Technology, Part 2nd, Unit number 9, Environmental Management. Today's my first point is, can you recall? Second point, weather and climate. Third point, changes in weather. Fourth point, importance of weather in living world. Fifth point, meteorology. Sixth point, India Meteorological Department. Seventh and last point, monsoon model and climate prediction. Thank you. Chapter 9, Environmental Management. Chapter outline, weather and climate, meteorology, solid waste management, disaster management. Can you recall? Number 1, how does the atmospheric affect our daily life? Answer of this question, the climate surrounding us has a great impact on our life. Our diet, clothing, festivals, health, lifestyle, etc. all are related to the climatic condition around us. Second, forecasts about which weather related factors are given during the news bulletin on the Doordarshan and Akashvani. Answer of this question, all the media give forecast about weather. The values for regional humidity and temperature are declared daily along with forecast for the rains. If it is raining, the measurement of the rainfall are also given. If cyclone, storm or heavy downpour is likely, the citizens are given information about it and warnings have been issued to all. Weather and climate. Atmospheric condition at a specific time at a particular place are referred to as weather. Atmospheric condition depend upon variety of factors. Here flow sheet are given. Weather related to climatic factors. First factor is atmospheric pressure, temperature, visibility, rainfall, humidity, clouds, sunlight, etc. Draw this flow sheet in your notebook. Weather depends upon the prevailing condition of the air. The climate of a particular region is average of daily readings of various weather related parameters recorded for several years. Hence, climate is a long term predominant condition of the atmosphere. Changes in weather. Climate does not change continuously. Climate is that which remain constant in region for a long duration. Thus, we see that weather is related to specific location and specific time, whereas climate is related to longer duration and larger area. Changes in weather may occur for short period of a time, whereas changes in climate take place slowly over a much long duration. Climate plays a very important role in our day-to-day life. It influences our basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter, as well as our occupations. Climate is especially important for an agrarian country like India. Various climatic factors like direction and speed of wind, temperature, atmospheric pressure, etc., are considered during the construction of runways, seaports, huge bridges, skyscrapers, etc. Importance of weather in living world. Number 1, daily weather as also long term climatic condition influence human lifestyle directly or indirectly. Land, water bodies, plant and animal collectively form the natural environment on earth. This environment is responsible for the development of organism. Second, the climate of the particular region helps to determine the diet, clothing, housing, occupations, and lifestyle of the people of that region. For example, characteristics lifestyle of the Kashmiri and Rajasthani people. Third, salinity of marine water, formation of oceanic current, water cycle, etc. All the related to various weather and climatic factors. Fourth, various climatic factors bring about the weathering of rocks in the earth crust. 5. Climate plays a very important role in the formation of the enrichment of soil. Number 6. Microbes in the soil play an important role in formation of organic material. This process depends upon various climatic factors. Thus, it is very clear that the study of meteorology is a very important from the view of point human life. Meteorology, the science that studies the interrelationship between the various components of air, natural cycles, geological movements of the earth, and climate is called meteorology. While ascertaining the climate of particular region, a review of earlier studies of various aspects of a climate is very important. Most countries in the world have established meteorology department for making and recording such observation. These departments have observatories which are equipped with modern instrument and technology. If present climatic conditions are analyzed with reference to the past climatic condition, we can predict climatic changes of the future. However, as the climate is the net result of the complex mixture of various atmospheric factors, forecasting it is very complicated and difficult. Forecasting is easy to places where climatic changes are slow and of a limited nature. However, where the climatic changes are complex, interdependent and rapid, making forecast is very difficult. In meteorology includes the study of the storms, clouds, rainfall, thunder, lightning, etc. Depending upon the study of such factors, weather forecasts are made. They are useful for common people, farmers, fisheries, aviation services, water transport, and various other organizations. India Meteorological Department. The India Meteorological Department was founded by British in 1875 at Shimla. Its head office at Pune. This picture shows head office at Pune, and its regional offices are at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Nagpur, and Delhi. Maps are prepared every day, which indicates the daily prediction about the weather. Such maps are prepared and published twice in every 24 hours. In this institute, research goes on continuously on various aspects like instrument for climatic readings, prediction about climate made using radar, predictions about climate related to seismology, prediction regarding rainfall by satellite, air pollution, etc. The India Meteorological Department provides important information regarding weather and climatic condition to other departments like aviation, shipping, agriculture, irrigation, marine oil exploration and production, etc. Prediction regarding calamities like dust storms, sandstorms, heavy rainfall, hot and cold waves, tsunami, etc. are communicated to various or departments. All type of mass communication, media, and all for citizens. For this purpose, India has launched several satellites equipped with high-class technology. Observatories at several locations are doing excellent work in the analysis of the information received from these satellites. Monsoon model and climate prediction. The tradition of forecasting the monsoon season in India older than 100 years. After the famine of 1877, H. F. Blandford The founder of IMD had made such a prediction for the first time, taking the snowfall in the Himalaya as a parameter for this prediction. Here is the photo of H.F. Blanford. In the decade of the 1930s, then the director of IMD, Sir Gilbert Walker, had underlined the relationship between the various worldwide climate factors and the Indian monsoon, and the based on the available observation and previous recording related to this relationship, he put the fourth hypothesis regarding the nature of the monsoon. With initiative of Dr. Vasantrao Gawarikar in decade of 1990s, a monsoon model based upon 16 worldwide climatic parameters was developed. This model was in use from 1990 to 2002. Presently, new models are being developed at the IITM. Work is in progress at two levels, namely designing new models and developing new technology. The main focus is on the development of the radar system and satellite technology.